Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play War Thunder on PC with a controller. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your personal computer, either through a USB cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, launch War Thunder and navigate to the main menu. From there, you will need to access the game settings. Within the settings, look for the Controls section, which is where all your input device configurations are managed. This initial step is crucial for the game to recognize your controller. Now that your controller is recognized, the next step is to configure the basic mapping. In the Controls section, make sure to select Controller as your active input device. War Thunder offers several preset control schemes, like Simplified or Realistic, which provide a good starting point. Choose one that best suits your initial comfort level. Additionally, take a moment to adjust the sensitivity and dead zones. These settings are vital for achieving precise aiming and smooth vehicle movement, giving you better control over your gameplay. For a truly personalized experience, delve into advanced control customization. You have the flexibility to remap individual buttons and axes, allowing you to tailor the controls exactly to your liking. Consider assigning specific in-game actions, such as deploying landing gear or adjusting flaps, to any unused buttons on your controller. Furthermore, War Thunder enables you to create and save multiple custom control profiles. This is incredibly useful for optimizing your setup for various vehicle types, whether you are piloting a fast jet or commanding a heavy tank. The final, crucial step is to practice and refine your controller setup. Take your new configuration into a custom battle or a tutorial mission to test it thoroughly. Pay close attention to how your vehicle responds and make small, incremental adjustments to sensitivity and button assignments as necessary. Remember, mastering controller play takes time. Consistent practice is key to developing muscle memory and significantly improving your overall performance across all vehicle types in War Thunder. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes daily for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.